Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. So we have a box here. So this is the final production version of the Zhiyun Weebill lab, and we're going to open it and see what is inside. So let's first look at the box itself. It has like a nice image of the gimbal with like a camera. It says Weebill lab here, and also nice logo of the Tsuen. And on the back side we can see here what's inside of the box: the gimbal, quick release, the tripod feet, 2 batteries, charger, a small quick release adapter, 3 cables and a small cable adapter, and also a pouch where all the cable is and the case of it. Here we can see, talking about ergonomics, the wireless image transmission and the maximum payload, and that it's also the size of an A4. So let's open this up, and like always we have here like a sticker tab. Just need to remove that. You can see that this has been opened now by me, and let's open further. So now this is the first time I'm opening this version. So I've already actually have the pre-production version. I haven't opened the final production version. So we can now see this is the box that it comes in. This is like a styrofoam pressed case, because yeah, the previous versions you always had like a pelican-like case. But personally, I've never really used those. Just store like a lot of gimbals in them, but really I never take it out and bring those cases with me. I just throw the entire gimbal in my bag anyways. Let's open this up. So we have like tabs here on the sides here. So just pull those two. Now we can open this up like this and see what's inside. So now we see inside of the case. Here we see like a small hard case pouch where basically all the cables are in here, and also an extra adapter if you lose those. And this is like a Type C adapter for the users with the Panasonic GH or GH5. Let's close this. 2 batteries. These are the same batteries that you find in the Crane 2. A double charger, so you can charge both batteries at once. Okay, so this is the quick release. You can see it has like the lens support already mounted, but also we can see here that it has like 2 different plates on top of each other. And let's actually remove the top bit. So basically have like a Manfrotto plate here and an Arca switch here, and these 2 mount on top of each other, and this is to lock it down. So that's nice. Put that back here, and we have here the tripod feet and grip. And also one thing to note on this tripod feet, this here, this pushes a pin out. You can see it is already out. So this pin actually aligns to the holes that's on the gimbal. So you can actually see here on here there are several holes here, and these are, so when you have the grip mounted on here you can lock it down. So if you are holding it, it doesn't untwist on its own. So the big difference between the pre-production and the production version Pre-production had like a red knob, and this is like a black one. So, and also we have like here a extra thing just to make sure it doesn't scratch itself. And also we have this little extra plate. This is if you have like certain cameras with certain lenses, you need to move your camera up a little if your lens is actually hitting this plate because it's so long. You can use this to make it taller. So you just use this and just screw on here, and then you actually make it taller so you have more space for a big lens. So now that we know what is inside of the box, let's look if we can mount a Panasonic GH5 with the Sigma 18-35 f1.8 with a field truck speed booster adapter and see if that would mount on the Weebill lab. So I now have the screw here on number 5, so it's much more forward. So let's mount this again. Okay, so we have it now balanced like this. So it holds its place. So now we have mounted the GH5. There is battery inside of the GH5, so turn it on. So we can see that GH5 is on. And here, let's turn on the Weebill. So it actually works with the GH5. However, there is of course some limitations. So first things, also need to change the motor, because this is like a heavy setup. So we need to change it to high. This setup is usable with the Panasonic GH5 with the Sigma 18-35 and the speed booster, but there are a few limitations because the back motor can actually hit the eyepiece. But if you're just holding it normally, using it like normal way, it should not be an issue. But the only thing is you can't go into the underslung mode, nor can you use the vortex mode, because you need to have the camera tilted up for the vortex mode. But you can of course use the POV mode, the standard POV, during this tilt. Overall, the rest actually still works normal, and yeah, you can just use it. If you use POV or actually the full follow mode, you can also tilt it up fully like this. And yeah, for the rest it still works, and it can actually hold this weight. And my setup here is actually slightly heavier because I have like the seamless follow focus rings on here. But yeah, if you are going to add like a microphone, I don't think that would be causing too much of an issue, a microphone on top of here. But yeah, if you add more filters on the front, or like a big ND filter, it might actually cause this to not fully work. But yeah, for now I can see this is just on the edge that it still works. So that was mainly it for this video. Hope you found this video quite informative. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!